Most people optimizing for backlinks are solving yesterday's problem. Links still matter, a lot. But the brands showing up in traditional and AI search aren't just the ones with the most links. They're the ones that show up in the right conversations, get cited alongside the right names, and appear on the right platforms. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways to build both at once: a backlink profile that helps improve your Google rankings, and an online presence that gets you cited by AI. Let's start with the lowest hanging fruit on the list. This approach is a little sneaky, but in the best way. Your competitors have broken pages, and other sites are still linking to those broken pages, sending traffic and authority to a dead end. Here's what to do to capitalize on this opportunity. Find a competitor's broken page using your SEO tool of choice. Look at who's linking to it, then reach out to those sites and say, "Hey, that link is broken. We actually have an updated page that covers the same thing. Want to swap it?" You're solving their problem and earning a backlink in the process. This tactic works because it targets links that are already within reach. Somebody has already decided this topic is worth linking to. You're just making sure that link point's somewhere useful. That said, this tactic has a ceiling. There are only so many broken competitor links to go after, and you're limited to links that you have relevant content for. Claiming these links does strengthen your overall authority profile, but it doesn't do much by itself to establish you as a go-to source on a topic that an AI tool could reference you for. But this next tactic is where the value starts to ramp up, especially for AI visibility. One of the most effective backlink strategies is building content that attracts links on its own, without any outreach at all. We call these linkable assets. Think original research, in-depth guides, or data studies that answer questions people are actively searching for. The more your content acts as a reliable source, the kind people reach out for when they need something to back up a point, the more links it brings in over time. This is also where the AI visibility payoff starts to get significant. AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini love to cite sources that are credible, specific, and data-backed. A well-constructed study with real numbers gives them exactly what they're looking for. Content with concrete findings, original data, and clear methodology is the kind of thing these tools pull from when generating answers, and keep pulling from long after you've published it. Here's a good example of this in action. SEMrush's AI search study. Journalists cite it, bloggers reference it, and because it contains specific statistics, AI tools also cite it in responses. If you're not sure where to start creating linkable assets, these questions can help you find your angle. What data do we wish existed when we're trying to prove a point in our content? What internal data do we have permission to share that would be genuinely interesting to our industry? How could we survey our audience to surface insights nobody else has? The goal is to create something that fills a genuine gap in your industry. Guest posting is the next lever, and it works as long as you avoid the mistakes that give it a bad reputation. Guest posting's bad reputation comes from the fact that most people do it wrong. The typical approach is to write a generic article for any site that will take you, drop in a link, and move on. But this does very little for your authority, since Google is pretty good at spotting these low-quality efforts. And it's also not great for your AI visibility, because AI tools aren't just counting links, they're evaluating context. A link from a low-quality site that has nothing to do with your niche doesn't tell an AI tool much about who you are or what you're an authority on. The right approach is to target sites your audience actually reads in your actual niche. A useful starting point is to look at where your competitors are getting links from. There are likely strong candidates already on that list that you can pitch. Once you've built your target list, study the content that's performed well for those sites. Look at their format first. Are they publishing long-form think pieces, step-by-step tutorials, or interview roundups? Then, look at their topics. What problems are they solving, and who are they solving them for? Could you solve similar problems for a similar audience and pitch that content to get links? When you get that right, the benefits will stack up quickly. First, you earn a high-quality backlink from a relevant, authoritative source. This boosts your authority with Google. Second, you introduce your brand to an audience that's primed to care about what you do. This can grow your audience and bring in new customers too. And third, you start building a pattern of association. Your name starts appearing alongside credible voices on credible platforms. AI tools pick up on this when deciding whose expertise is worth referencing. Quality wins over quantity. Every time. 10 well-placed guest posts on authoritative sites in your niche will do more for both your rankings and your AI visibility than 100 posts scattered across the web. The last tactic on this list requires the least content creation of any of them, but it can land you links from some of the most authoritative sources. Reporters and content creators are constantly looking for expert quotes and insights to include in their work. And there are platforms built specifically to connect them with these sources. These include HARO, Feature.com, Mention Match, and Quoted, to name a few of the most popular ones. You sign up, monitor relevant queries in your niche, and respond with a concise, helpful answer. If they use it, you typically get a mention and often a link from a potentially high authority publication. AI tools often draw from major industry outlets and national press in their responses. So, a quote in a well-known publication can get you a nice backlink that can boost your search visibility, but it also places your name and your expertise in a context that AI tools can access and learn from. Over time, consistent mentions in credible sources help establish you as a recognized authority on a topic, which is exactly the kind of signal that gets you cited in AI-generated answers. To make this tactic work consistently, you need to decide who owns scanning the requests on a daily basis, establish a process for collecting answers and getting any internal approvals, and give it a genuine trial period of at least a month to gauge whether you're finding queries that fit your niche. One link from a relevant, high-authority site is worth more than 50 links from random, low-quality domains. That's been true in SEO for years, and it turns out the same logic applies to AI visibility. The goal isn't to rapidly build a massive backlink profile. It's to build a trustworthy one, where credible sources are consistently vouching for your content and your expertise. Build that, and you're optimizing for the way search works right now, not 5 years ago. If you want to go deeper, I'll link to the full SEMrush guide in the description. It covers all 10 tactics with step-by-step instructions. Give this video a like if it was helpful, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.